mbuye mono murare a gap era se county mono go se county assembly ya Kisii transparency and fairness. Munabono ntebe for example a few months back 2-3 months back chi paranjire chi abeta allocated ko chi wards mbali chia Kisii ko se chia Kisii county yes tukama konyoranga there are other wards chitanyoreti no nyike ngese while there are other wards munabono nere monta tete konyekwana yanyorete 8 million shillings ekere yende tabuati nonya. We have 45 wards across Kisii County. Lakini as a list here we had about 12-13 or so. Unequal distribution. Lakini bono nainde. Ekene kia mangana ngelingana ki. Eye kueligeria. Nere kokora ki. Nere konyo. So as your MCA kuru ase ward yende yonsi okaruete. Goikote emena ekwerwanirese county assembly ari mwana mintote wengana ki ekengese kekerokyo na nje korangana ki abantu bane bantomerete gochia inkingo tamera nkingo chikoera abantu bane. So ekyo ndatebe is a win-win situation between the governor na aba MCA and again also democracy. There is no single day tora rengereri tuenze beyond the same election. Lakini rende as a problem nkorore NNP is a distribution. Negento muneke nabo muntu kerokendo bwato bumanyi obwenerete ku face yo mugavana na komotebyanga aigo mugavana mbobogoko because taigo cha kugo impeach taigo cha kugo akabiboko no komotebyanga ya yanje ikapa kankure egogera igagwa kolire bobe.